One summer hour, a gardener went outside and decided to plant a flower on the east side. The flower grew slowly, day by day, and grew more cheerful every day.
There was a phoenix every day. It would give color to the flower and fill it with magic some way.
As time goes by, the flower becomes more beautiful, vain, magical, and oh, so powerful.
Water, water on the lake, is there another for which I would forsake? I'm so ugly. Something you should know, the phoenix is the source of my existence. The phoenix's magic is immense, I carry on living at her expense. Don't make me feel lonely, my body is weakening.
On a foggy day, the flower waited the phoenix to come her way. She didn't show the occasion dated. Days and months passed by, she was dying powerless. New birds flew on the sky, without phoenix, she's colorless.
But the beauty is on the inside. Don't worry, I'll be by your side.
Oh dear friend, I thought you wouldn't return. I started to accept that this would be the end. Can you feel my concern?
No, my lovely sunflower. You are the most beautiful. You have the power to make everything musical.
Does your power leave when the sun you do not receive? When the sun you do not receive?
The phoenix appears, ready to give a hand. After all, so unexpectedly, the transformed beings, free and love profoundly. From the dawn to the dimming, they started a new beginning. Flowers started blooming, on the hillsides gleaming. Flowers as before, there will be no more. In the beautiful singing grounds, they found home and love with no bounds.